good.
Cheers. Chat, she's in my video. Guys, I have a question. Why is it like that? Why does it look burnt? Like that. Show me to do it. It's scuba. Okay. Cheers. Oh, look.
Show the jug.
Dad. Did it actually love me? Wait.
Just put it down.
No way she took that. There's no way she took that. She's actually eating it.
It's a bird in the wild.
She's nice and beautiful, and she's nice. We just gotta introduce her to our family. She's a bird, okay? Be nice. This is not your video, it's mine. Y'all. This bird is about to be our pet. Like, subscribe.